Model, 2013 Peugeot Boxer 3.0 HDi 440L4H2 155 minibus with all-seat simple fix bargain low miles grin bargain trader margin open mouth smile. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 73,385. MOT, 28 April 2024. Engine, 2999 cc F1CE3481M. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Rear compressor is faulty. Chooses winter work needs repairing or replacing open mouth smile. Simple fix gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.